आज कदंबा बस स्टँड सॅनिटायज जाता आणि प्रायवेट बस्यो आणि KTC बस्योय बीन आज सॅनिटायज करता अलॉंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट आहा हिंगा आनी तेगे गायडन्सार हे आता काम जाता.
I am MD Kadamba. Today we have started a massive sanitization program on all the bus stands and the depots in Kadamba Transport Corporation. From 14 March we have been doing this continuously. So today we said what we will do it as a massive one. We are going to sanitize the bus stands. Our buses also we have been sanitizing. Today we will be sanitizing even the private buses from outside with sodium hypochlorite and inside with the Lysol solution. So this we are doing again as a massive one so that to bring awareness among the public that the coronavirus, which is a pandemic today, that we have to take care of that. We are going to also have lectures for the public also, so that what they should use masks, they should not touch any object unnecessarily. Then there should be like a social distance be maintained, and they should not eat anything from the outside eateries, because it is a virus which is not an airborne. It is like once you touch somewhere, it comes to your hand, and then when you touch your face and all, it affects you. So that is why Margo I am doing now. Vasco, my chairman, will be there. Penjim, our directors are there. All the bus stands we are doing a massive one, mostly for the awareness again among the public, because today the public has started moving in the buses, and as a mark that everybody should know that what precautions to be taken. The prevention is better than the cure.
I mean, it makes it precaution more for the city buses. Come on this. We have already done the other buses also, but we are doing this for the purpose of the city buses is more, because the movement is more. That is the reason we have, and we are thankful to the Kadamba Transport and for the managing director, Teminanse Furtado, who has already supported us in all sides, both the and it's a good initiative which he has taken it. More like most of the buses, most of the private buses, as well as the Kadamba, they are doing the same thing what we are doing. And we have instructed especially strictly not to take any passenger inside the bus without mask, and let everybody, it's a awareness drive what we have started, and Kadamba is also doing the same thing, and we are also doing the same thing, and that's the reason we have put the stickers, no mask, no entry to everybody, like whoever comes, so people have to understand in this.
Now KTC buses have been sanitized.
I am depot manager of this Margon Depot Kadamba Transport Corporation. Here we are doing the washing of buses. We have a mechanical plant behind. First, after entry of the buses, as you have seen, we are doing the sanitization, which we carried out today for private vehicles also. But from March 22nd onwards, we were operating buses for essential services, for medical staff and other government staff. Till that time we have been following the sanitization of individual buses at our depot. But today we have done for private buses because public is traveling, and this because of the pandemic, for the safety of all passengers traveling, we have done that. And after doing the sanitization, after doing the mechanical checks, we are doing the washing of plant, both internal as well as external, so the vehicle becomes thoroughly sanitized. And also you have seen on the bus stand, we have done the social distancing marking for the shops. We have asked them to maintain the social distance, and we are insisting and telling our crew, whoever is entering our buses, they should wear mask compulsorily. And at the same time we have given them the thermal guns which they are using to check the temperature of the passengers for entering the buses.